Hello students, today I am taking a topic domain, codomain and range of a function. Today I am going to explain these three topics: domain, codomain and range of a function. First of all, I am going to take an example for the illustration of all these topics. Suppose a function f such that a tends to b is defined as f of x is equal to x square. Here the function is defined as f of x equal to x square. Here we have two non-empty sets. One set is A and another set is B. Here A and B are what? A and B are non-empty sets. For example, A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Here -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 are the elements of set A. And suppose B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the function is defined as how? The function is defined as f of x is equal to x square. Here x is the domain and the value of f of x. The value of f of x are called range. Here the set of all the elements of set A are called the domain of the function. Domain. The set of all the elements of set A are called domain of the function. And set B, all the elements of set B are called what? All the elements of set B are called codomain of the given function. All these elements are called the codomain. Here the value of the codomain are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the function is defined as f of x equal to x square. So if we will put the value of x is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Here I am going to represent this function in the form of arrow diagram. Suppose this is set A and for this is set B. The element of set A are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And the element of set B are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. According to the definition of domain of a function, all the elements of set A are called the domain of the function, and codomain, all the elements of set B are called the codomain. And what is the range? What will the range of this function? Here the function is defined as f of x equal to x square. The value of x are given. The value of x are what? The value of x are -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. If we will put the value of x is equal to -2 in this function, we will get what? F of -2. In place of x, if we will put x equal to -2, we will get what? F of -2 is equal to what? Square of -2. The square of -2 is equal to 4. It means 2 is associated with 4. 2 is associated with 4. Here the image of 2 is 4. Image of 2 is 4 and image of -2 is 4, and the pre-image of 4 is what? The pre-image of 4 is -2. The next value, if we will put x equal to -1, if we will put x equal to -1, it will become 1. Here the image of -1, the image of minus 1 is 1 and image of minus 2 is 4. Image of minus 1 is 1. Now the next element 0. What will be the value of f of 0? F of 0 is equal to what? F of 0 is equal to 0 because 0 is square of 0 is equal to 0. So 0 is associated with 0. Next, what will the value of f of 1? The value of f of 1 is equal to what? The value of f of 1 is equal to square of 1 is equal to 1. Square of 1 is equal to 1. It means the image of 1 is also 1. The image of 1 is also 1. Here the image of minus 1 is 1. The image of 1 is 1. Now the last element of this set A is 2. F of 2 is equal to square of 2 is equal to 4. Here the image of 2 is also 4. Here each and every element of set A are used. Here each and every element of set A has an image in set B. Here the image of minus 2 is 4, image of 2 is also 4. It means it is a many-one function. Many-one function. And image of minus 1 is 1. Here the domain is what? The domain is the set of all the element of set A. All the element of set A are called the domain. And all the element of set B, all the element of set B are called the codomain. Here all the element of set B are called codomain. And all the element of set A are called domain. Now the third thing is range. What is the range? Here 0 is the image of 0, 1 is the image of minus 1 and 1, and 4 is the image of minus 2 and 4. Each and every image here. What is the range? Range is the subset of codomain. Range is what? Range is a subset of codomain. Here 0 is the image of 0, 1 is the image of minus 1 and 1, 4 is the image of minus 2 and 4. Each and every image, the set of each and every image are called range. So what will be the range of this function? Range is the subset of codomain. And here 0, 1 and 4. 0, 1 and 4 are the range. 0, 1 and 4 are the range of this function. So here you observe that this is the subset of codomain. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I hope you are understanding this topic, children. So you can do the remaining question by yourself. Okay. So now I am going to repeat all these things once more. What is the domain? Domain of function is the set of all the element of set A. And what is the codomain? All the element of set B are called the codomain. And what is the range? Range is the image. Range is the image. Here 0, 1 and 4 are the image. So the value of the range is 0, 1 and 4. And what is the pre-image? Here minus 2 is the pre-image of 4. Minus 1 is the pre-image of 1. 1 is the pre-image of this one. 0 is the pre-image of 0. And 2 is the pre-image of this 4. So thank you, children.